Right, I've begun recording the repair pile videos, and you're about to watch the first one, which is a Commodore 64 breadbin. You'll see that there's a huge pile of broken computers that I've got to work through, including some Amigas and some Spectrums of all varieties. So I'm still working out how to do this. It's a little bit rough around the edges on the first episode, but I needed to put it out there. It's only second channel stuff, and the idea of the second channel is to not get too caught up on editing and things, just to get stuff out, not content as such, but stuff out there. But yeah, here comes the first one. A little bit rough quality, but it's what it is. Thank you. Bye. Okay. This lot is all the stuff that we've got to look at. There we go. Alright, let's move it back off. Oh my god, it's heavy. Bloody 1541 drives. Power, no picture, and missing some missing some keys. Disgusting colour. Case clip's broken at the back. All of them. Right, so I don't get the tops and bottoms muddled up. This is one. Paul, stop using sellotape on these. Get some blue painter's tape. One. It's a bit grotty in here. It's very grotty. We've got a couple of logic chips in weird sockets. There's a lot of corrosion under there. I wasn't going to take any of these out of the bottom of the case, but this one I think I have to, because I don't want to switch it on without having a look at what's underneath here. Yeah. Stuck. Ooh. I don't know what that is. It looks like it could be some sort of chrysalis. Whatever it was, it died in here. Right, so board work, nothing. I can't see any rework done on this. Okay, let's plug it in and switch it on. What's the absolute worst that can happen? Black screen. Oh, hello. I wasn't expecting that. It's come back. Try the other dead test. Don't know. I've not had one like this before.
RAM test bad. I think this one's going to be a case of get it under the scope, not the microscope, the oscilloscope, and find out what's wrong. It says RAM tested bad. None of them are hot. I'm just going to have to find out if there's a bad. It's probably, if that's surviving, is actually running. There's not a chip that's pulling the whole thing down. There's a faulty chip that's just, you know, just gone partially faulty, and it's probably likely I'll be able to see something on the oscilloscope. So I've got high hopes of this one. So we better label it, haven't we? Dead test RAM failed. And that's number 1. Look forward to number 2. Who does number 2 work for?
Who does number 2 work for?